Avi-Cenna, Happy New Year and welcome back to school. We hope you slept during the holidays because waking up early is back. Yes, school has resumed. Books are open, alarms are ringing, and learning has officially entered the chats. This is the January edition of Avi-Cenna News Hour. Let's get into it.
To our Year 11 students, we see you.
The mock exams end on Friday, 23rd January, and honestly, you deserve a round of applause. Parents' Day holds on Saturday, 31st January from 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. Students must attend, yes, attend in full school uniform.
No negotiations.
Sport day is coming in hot. Thursday, 12th February at Gege Stadium. Whether you're an athlete, professional cheerleader, get ready to shout, run, and jump and represent your house with pride. No dull moments.
Friday, 13th February is non-uniform day. Yes, Mufti is allowed for 1,000 Naira charity donation. And if you prefer your uniform, that's totally fine too. But remember, dressing responsibly is key. No inappropriate outfits, no excessive accessories, because anyone dressed improperly will be sent home. And parents, please help us by clearly tagging students' personal items. It saves time, stress, and missing property.
A quick reminder that students are expected to wear the correct school uniform at all times, including black belts for boys and approved black leather shoes. For hairstyles, Year 7s to 9s are not permitted to wear hair extensions, except in the last week of term. Year 10s to 11s may wear extensions as long as they follow school guidelines. And good news! Half-term break begins on Friday, 30th February and school resumes on Monday, 23rd February. Borders return on Sunday, 22nd February, just in time for dinner.
Get ready to celebrate creativity, imagination, and the power of words. Literary Week runs from 2nd to 6th March, featuring reading challenges, debates, storytelling, character dress-up, and creative writing. And don't forget, Workbook Day is on Thursday, 5th March. Open House and the Early Years Readiness Test will hold on Saturday, 28th February, welcoming prospective families into our school community. Entrance examinations follow on Saturday, 7th March. Applications forms are at the registrar's office.
Have a great term, work hard, behave well, and let's make 2026 legendary. So, let's pass through our upcoming events once again. Hey, yes, you watching this. If you enjoyed this video and you're not following us yet on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, I really don't know what you're waiting for. Click follow, click share, and don't pretend you don't see it. If you didn't see it.
Including black leather.
Jump and represent your house with pride.
News hours have